Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amal. In case you're new guys, thank you so much for coming. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming here every day to watch my videos. So guys, you can see I'm coming live from the village. So today I want to make the most appetizing food in the village. So guys, if you like this video, let me know, drop a comment down there. And if it's your first time to come across my video, just please subscribe guys. Road to 400 subscribers. So come with me guys. So guys, I have dengu here guys. This is dengu to prepare it with chapati. So come with me. I have my mom here. My mom says say hi to my people. Hi. Okay guys, so this is dengu. You are checking it this dirt inside so that you can remove. When you are checking, you need to be so careful because you might leave there small particle stones. Then when you eat, it might hurt your teeth. So guys, you can see our dengu is ready now. Now I want to light the fire so that I can start cooking. Oh my god. So guys, if you like this video, drop a comment down that I can start cooking. I can't wait. So here in the village, we are using firewood. Guys, now I want to make chapati so that you can eat it with dengu. So this is how I want to show you step by step how I'm doing it, guys. So just stay tuned. I want to show you how we do it traditionally, guys. So if you like this video, let me know. Our duck now is ready. It's time to make our chapati. It's supposed to be like a ball, guys. You can see how it is. Like this. So I need to apply a little oil to make so that to make it easy when I'll be rolling. So guys, you can see this is our chapati. Let's wait and see the results. Oh guys, you can see my chapati, how it looks like. Oh, look at this, guys. Wow. Okay, so this chapati is ready now. Continue to put it here. Wow. This is last chapati I'm making, guys. So you can see how I'm rolling my chapati. So we want to enjoy our lunch. Most appetizing food in the village, guys. It's chapati with lengo. Also, you can make chapati with beans, yeah, cabbage, even cabbage. What if it's chapati? Okay, this last chapati. Now I want to fry. Guys, now I want to fry our dengu. So our dengu is here and our chapati, guys. Look at this, guys. So this is our chapati. So we are going to eat this chapati with dengu. So now I want to fry our dengu. So yeah. Our onion and guys and tomato can see, guys, is ready. You can see how it's supposed to be like this. Then I have added salt to taste. Then I'm going to add our dengu. Oh my god, guys, look at this. That's how it is. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, this our dengu now is ready. Oh my god, even I can't wait to eat with our chapati. So guys, let's go and enjoy our lunch now here in the village. This is a typical village kitchen routine here in the village. So come with me, guys, let's go. So guys, okay guys, so now we want to enjoy our lunch here in the village.